Welcome everybody. Welcome to my channel. I am Unique Designs by Latanya, and today I'm going to show you a tablescape I put together after Christmas. I took down everything. I just threw a little tablescape together. I'm going to show you another one that I'm going to do because Valentine's Day coming, Easter coming, so you're going to see a lot more tablescape. I am so excited. I love the holidays. I love decorating my tables for the holidays, and I love showing you guys the things that I come up with. With that being said, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please hit that notification bell so videos are uploaded, you will be notified. I am so excited of this year that's coming up. 2022 showed me what I need to do, what I'm going to do for 2023, which put more effort in what I'm going to do for this channel. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, like I said, please like and please comment in the bottom. I love talking to you guys. I always tell you guys that I love talking to you. I love the feedback. If you love the table, it's something I need to do different, just show me. But this table is a little video too, and it's going to just show you a little scape that I just put together. But I got one that's coming up soon. You're going to love it. I'm going to change a lot of stuff around. So I'm going to show you more of Latanya. So with that being said, I'm going to turn it over to this video, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. See you in the next one.